Ella, what are those doggies doing? Are they playing? Are you watching the doggies play? Is that Titan's friend Molly? Is that Molly? Say, so fun. Ella, can you say dog? Good job. Look at those puppies. Say, hey dogs. Hey. Can you say dog? I know. Oh, here they come. Goodbye. Oh, there they go again. There they go again. Yeah, dogs are fun.